Hi guys, let's do some practice together. In this first one, it shows, I can see, it asks me, it says, name the fraction shown below. Mixed number. I can see that 1 whole and 2/5 of the next one are colored in. So I'm going to write 1 and 2/5. As an improper fraction, that means I'm going to count how many fifths all together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7/5 colored in. Let's do the next one down here. It says shade the fraction parts 9/5. So first I'm going to shade in, each whole is colored into fifths, so I'm going to shade in 9 of them. So I'm going to put X in 9 of them. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I can look at my visual and see that 1 whole is colored in and 4/5 of the next one is colored in. Okay, let's try another one. Down here it says model the fraction and write it as an improper fraction. So first it says 2.5. So I would draw 2 circles. There's already one here for me. And then I'm going to add another one because I have 2 whole circles. Okay. Then I need another half of one. So I have to draw a whole nother circle. And I notice cut in half, so I'm going to cut it in half because my denominator is 2. And I'm going to cut them all in half actually. I'm going to color in both of these, all of these, and then 1/2 of the next one. So I have 2 holes and 1/2 of the next one. Let's try one more. It says model the fractions and write a mixed number. 9/2. So I'm going to draw circles until I can make 9/2. So I'm going to draw 1, and I'm going to draw it in half because I need it to count. So I have makes 1/2, 2/2, so I need another circle. And I'm going to cut that one in half. So I have 1/2, 2, 3, 4. I need another circle. So I only have 4 so far, 4 halves. And I'm going to cut that one in half. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 9, so I'm not finished. I'm going to cut that one in half. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to draw one more circle. And then I'm going to cut that one in half. Now I need to model it. So I'm going to color in 9/2. So I'm going to color in this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. This is 6. Here's 7, 8, 9. This shows 9/2.